That's not what's up. That's this.
I was like, when are we gonna start?
Bro, you want me to get copyright?
I paused it.
Okay, say what's up to the Brawadis squad.
What's up, Brawadis squad?
Oh yeah, you want to play? Oh shit, they saw my toes. Sit. Speak. Speak. Oh, bro, he's so loud. And down. And play dead. Play dead. Okay, here you go. Look what happens when Booker wants to play and you don't want to play. Guys, you want to see him get really mad? Watch this. When you try to pick him up when he's playing with his toy.
Oh my god.
So guys, I don't know how this picture of Jason Nash ended up on my phone, but Who wants the luba of the bread?
What does luba mean?
The heart.
What is going on?
Whoops, don't show my boxers.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What is going on?
One heaping tablespoon. Teaspoon, whatever the fuck this is.
What are you doing?
You want me to keep wearing dirty, sweaty headbands?
Why didn't you just tell me you were doing that?
Did Mr. Krabs sell Plankton the Krabby Patty formula? People don't know the secret. You gotta hand wash these. You don't put them in the.
Why?
I don't know. Oh no, we're putting them in the dryer after they shrink and they give me a headache every time I wear them. But it's a swag.
Look.
Anthony.
He really took the sock.
No, he didn't. No. Give me the sock. This. You can't. No, you can't have this. This is my sock. And a kiss. Kiss. Guys, Booker has a sock fetish. Alright, bro, I'm about to shave my beard.
What?
A lot of people keep telling me to go back to the goatee, so I'm just
Shut up.
What do you mean?
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
OG Brawadis.
Are you gonna shave it?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be on camera. I'm gonna shave my beard. I'm gonna go back to
Let me see.
Bro, just let me do it. I'll show you
serious
the
right
end
now?
result. I'll come out. Just give me like 5 minutes.
I can't believe you're actually doing it.
Bro, I'm actually hella nervous.
Oh.
No!
Oh my god.
Just joking. Actually, I'm shaving
Oh,
my
you
beard.
dumbass.
You actually think I'm shaving my beard? Without my beard, I look like I'm 15 years old.
With your beard, you look like you're 50.
Look at my 2 headbands.
Did you put a dryer sheet in there?
Yeah. How long do we put it for? An hour and 14? You wonder why they shrink. Bro, have you ever seen a moving carpet eating food? I didn't even know carpets ate food.
It's a floor mat. What are you doing?
Bro, you ever see something so beautiful and like, it just makes you think like.
What are you gonna do if they don't get him?
What?
What are you gonna do if they don't get Zion?
Zion in a Suns jersey, like, is that real life? Really? Well, you're about to hear everyone.
Bro, relax. Bro, they're gonna get him.
What?
They're gonna get Zion.
Bro, I'm doing a trick shot.
Oh.
Alright guys, how many tries is it gonna take me to make this?
Go ahead.
You all, look at the net. Look at the net. Bro, should I jump from here or is it too high?
Brandon, you'll literally snap both your ankles.
You think so? Is it really that high?
Bro, stop.
Bro, imagine walking all the way. Alright, fine. If I do fall, it'll be great content though.
Yeah.
Alright, what's your plan for your trick shot?
Off this wall into there.
Off the wall into the rim?
Yeah.
Okay, you know this battery doesn't last like 60 million hours. You know that, right? When should I charge the battery? It's gonna die before you make a shot.
If your mom watches this, I'm done being your cousin.
Mom, look what he's doing to the house. Oh! Okay, no, that's it. Guys, the trick shot is canceled. Anthony, I'll kill you. Okay. Mom, Dad. Oh, Dad.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. You guys remember the Gerald Green dunk contest? Damn! No, you have to put your chin on it while you shoot. Oh my Jesus, bro, look.
Why is it so...
Jesus. Is this for my future afterlife?
Why are you putting your...
What's the point of the trick shot?
It's supposed to go inside of the orange circle.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Really, you dumbass? Good boy. Rip it. We don't want that Lakers ball in this house. This is a Phoenix Suns house. Go. Good boy. Rip it. Good boy. Guys, we just found a cat, like a stray cat. She's right there. She or he is drinking the dirty water, bro. I feel bad. Anthony, wait. I'm gonna go put a clean bowl of water. Hopefully she doesn't run away, bro. I don't want to scare her, so I'm not gonna go too close. AKA, I'm too scared. Come to the water. Let's see, cat. Oh, we'll see. Maybe one day she'll be back. Oh, Lord Jesus, have mercy on my soul. Getting in Anthony's car. Actually, every time you step in Anthony's car, there's a great chance that you will not make it back to your house. Like, Anthony is the worst driver ever, and I'm saying it loud and proud.
Are you? Do I care?
Anthony, bro, I'm serious, bro. You need to drive better. It's dangerous. No, do not.
This is how they drive in TV shows. Ready?
I don't care what they do in TV shows. They say we're living real life. Bro, so we need dish soap, right?
Yes.
So what is it? Dawn? Where do we get? Palm olive? What the hell is palm olive?
Or Finish.
No, Finish. I've never. What do people use? Palm olive? What the hell is palm olive?
Why were we put on the task to get dish soap?
Palm olive sounds like a cigarette brand. What is it? Dawn. Zion. Oh, we'll do Zion.
Okay, you're an idiot.
Zion. Okay, laundry detergent. What do we do? Tide or Arm & Hammer? Hey! $8.29 for this?
Just don't wash your clothes.
You're telling me if I put water in the washer, it's not gonna do the same job? Like seriously, what should I just do it? Should I break the bank today?
Break the bank
Should I
for
break the bank today?
$8.29.
I might as well get the damn.
You spend more on wings and things.
Honestly, no. It's cheaper if we just buy new clothes every time. So, guys, we had to cut our shopping trip short. Greg just texted me saying he's about to go play basketball. I need to go to the gym right now. Oh, I need to go. Good thing I'm already dressed. You wonder why I always dress in basketball clothes? Because you never know. He said, yo, bro, you hitting the gym today? I'm not even going to answer. I'm just going to go straight to it. So our cart was supposed to include a bunch of more things, but, you know, the basketball called my name, so we had to cut it a little short. Oh my God, we almost made it. We almost made it. Shit, we almost made it. We almost made it.
Sorry.
We almost made it.
Sorry.
Are you actually stupid, dumb, like idiot, like Hey, all I'm saying, get me out of this damn car. Don't ever ask to drive. But I'd rather waste all my gas money. I'd rather spend all my electric, whatever the my car runs off of. I made it alive! The same amount of chance the Suns are gonna win the championship next season, that's how much chance I had to make it out of your driving alive. And I did it. Yes. Yeah! He made it!
Whoa, this is what it looks like?
This is what it looks like.
Dude, I've always seen it on your story.
Guys, here's just a little preview of what you're gonna see. A bunch of bricks. By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to build a mansion with all of Brian's bricks. Let's just say that. And you could build a hotel with Anthony's bricks. You could build a little condo or an apartment with my bricks. Maybe a one-story house on my off days. But when you're having a good day, having a good time, and you open your email to this, look at this shit, bro. Look. Are you actually kidding me right now, bro? Like, let's see how many copyright notices now. Let's see. So 10 videos per page. 17 pages of copyrighted content. All the way back to freaking 2015. There's someone from YouTube that is looking 4 years back. 4 years back. 4 years worth of videos from 2015 all the way up until 2019. 4 years worth of videos. Look, this video has freaking 870 views. Not 870,000, 870 views, and YouTube's still copyrighted. My very first video, look at this. All these videos with over 1 million views, like 2 million views copyrighted, 4.8 million views copyrighted, 2 million views copyrighted. Look at this, 1 million, 5 million, 6 million. It's crazy. 17 pages of copyrighted videos off a copyright-free song. A copyright-free song. I got it from a copyright-free artist, from a copyright-free website. Bro, like, this is, it's so incredibly frustrating. Like, all these videos resemble my work, and they're all getting copyright, like, bro, I don't think you guys understand just how much I put into YouTube. I committed my life to this platform. Like, I'm 4 years into this shit, and I'm still daily uploading. How many other YouTubers that you know, let alone vloggers, you know, that still daily upload? I'm still doing this. I committed my whole life. I put my blood, sweat, and tears every single day. You know, my friends asked me to hang out. No, guys, I gotta film a video. My cousins asked me to go eat with them. Nah, guys, I gotta go film a video. My own mom and dad, hey, Brandon, we miss you. Can you come over? We wanna see you. Sorry, mom, dad, sorry, I need to film a video. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into uploading videos every single day. All for it to get all these copyrighted videos for a copyright-free song. This song that I use is copyright free, but I guess YouTube is matching it with a real song. Like, bro, it's so frustrating. All I want to do is make YouTube videos. Like, I don't start beef with other YouTubers. I don't start drama with other YouTubers. I don't clout chase. I don't chase after big YouTubers and try to get their fans off. I don't do none of that stuff. I legit stay to myself. I have my own circle of friends, my own family, and I make YouTube videos with them. That's it. I don't do, like, bro, it's actually so frustrating. And I apologize. Like, bro, almost 200 of my videos got a copyright claim for a song that's copyright free because YouTube is matching it with a song that's not copyright free. Like, bro, I've spent countless hours and days and weeks and months working on videos for my channel. I put my whole life into this. Bro, it's so crazy. Like, every time I refresh my email, every time it's a new, like, claim every time. Look, how much you want to bet? It's refreshing right now. Watch. It's refreshing right now. Watch. Look, guys, look. Look at this. I told you every time. I can't refresh my email. In my own opinion, I feel like my videos are family friendly. I use copyright-free music. I don't attack other YouTubers. I don't start beef. I don't start drama. Legit, like I'm not getting paid for any of my past videos. Bro, even the little time card I use, even the little 2 hours later, that little SpongeBob time card, it's 2 seconds long. 2 seconds. Even that got my videos copyrighted. Like if I was doing something wrong, if I was using copyrighted music, or if I was uploading inappropriate videos, I would understand. I would understand fully. That's my fault. I would take blame. But I'm not doing that. Like, whatever, guys. Now I just feel like I'm ranting and it's just wasting you guys' time. I apologize. I'm looking at this clip right now and it's way too long. It's way longer than it should be, but I just needed to vent to somebody. I needed to let this out, guys. Almost 200 of my videos got copyrighted, and my manager said, he told me, he said, I'm just gonna be honest with you, this is only the beginning. Bro, I have used this copyright-free song in 1,000 videos, 1,000 videos. 1,000 of my videos are going to get copyrighted. You guys saw it doesn't matter if they had 800 views, legit, 800 views, or if they had 10 million views. This is crazy. I'm no longer gonna be getting paid for all my videos except what I'm gonna make in the future. I'm no longer getting paid for any of the videos, all the hard work, all the time, everything I put into my videos, I'm no longer gonna get paid for them. I seriously don't know what to do. My manager told me so far they've caught 200 of those videos, but eventually they're gonna catch all 1,000 of them, and there's nothing I could do. I'm so stressed out right now, it's ridiculous. Like, this is my job. This is my career. It's not like, oh, I'm stressed out over some small shit that happened. This is my whole life. YouTube is my life. YouTube is my job, it's my career, it's my hobby, it's my life. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Whatever, I'm taking up way too much of your guys' time. I apologize. I was having a really good day. I was chilling with Anthony, spending time with my little cousin and my dog, and we were supposed to go out to eat, and I don't know, bro, like I don't know what I'm supposed to do, to be honest. I seriously don't know what I'm supposed to do.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.